Hey guys, it's time to unbox the new LG V20. Finally, it's the first time ever that I bought a V series phone from LG. I missed on the V10 and now I bought the V20 phone, and I will be giving you guys my full review, my honest usage report and everything about this phone, speed test, camera reviews, and all that stuff that you guys are interested in watching. And also, if we talk about the price of this device, it is costing around $700, so you can convert that into your country's respective currency, and that's what I have to say about the price. So yeah, this is a flagship phone from LG here, and this is here the V20 I have. It has gone a lot cheaper. At first it was costing like 600 something, and now it is in 400 something price point, so it's costing really less. So you can buy the LG G5 also if you are interested and you want to save money. But V20 is a pro phone, okay? So if you want to go all out and buy the latest one, then this is the one to go for. So I'm just gonna quickly peel the plastic off here. And I heard a lot of good things about this phone. So we also have, okay, no more seals. It just slides out. And what is this? Okay, it says life's good when you play more. That is nice. And wow, super good boxing, I should say. I mean, super good box. So here we have the phone itself, V20, and how I can pull this one up here. Okay, there we go. I'm such a noob. So this is the phone, and it is feeling really light, which is because the battery is not inside. So we got the phone. I'm just gonna place it on the side, and this is the paperwork. This is the battery we have here. So you can see that it is a big battery. And let's take a look at, okay, nothing more. And on this side we got the official LG fast charger here, which is also good. You can see, looking pretty nice. And then we have the USB cable, which is obviously a Type-C cable, Type-C to USB cable. So, and that is all. We also have this thing here, which is probably the headphones. So let me just quickly open this one up, and these are the headphones we have, looking very similar to the ones that I got with the LG G4. So yeah, that's what we have in the box. And let's put the battery inside of the V20 and power this bad boy up. So this is a 3200 milliamp hour battery, and it's gonna power this 5.7 inch 1440p display here. And obviously I'll be making a video about the battery also. So I think we can open this back by pressing this button here. There we go. And this is not plastic, okay? This is a solid piece of metal. So it's this super premium phone, and still it has this removable back. That's the specialty we have at LG. So let's just press it like this, and now it is closed. So I do have a plastic on the back. I'm just gonna peel this also. There we go. So super premium phone. We have that dual camera setup on the back, so 16 megapixel f1.8 plus 8 megapixel here for, of course, that wide angle pictures. And we got the fingerprint sensor on the back. On the front, you can see that we do have another piece of plastic, I guess. So I'm just gonna quickly peel this one also. And this is, like I said, it's a 5.7 inch display with the secondary display also. So I'm gonna power on this phone, and yes, this phone has the battery juice, because I unboxed like 3 phones earlier, and all those three did not had any like battery, so that is really good from LG. So yeah, it's a 5.7-inch Quad HD display, and also it's having Snapdragon 820 plus 4 gigs of RAM. I mean, performance-wise, you're not going to be having any issues. And also, it is Android 7.0 Nougat, or maybe it's 7.1, but it is Android Nougat. So it's actually the first phone to have Android Nougat, even before Nexus devices. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip all this stuff. Obviously, you can set your ID and everything. So, and we are done. So yeah, just give it a second to settle up. So as you can see, there is the secondary screen we have on top. And like I said, this is the first time I'm having a experience with the LG V device. You know, I did not bought the V10, so it's first time for me. And I'll be doing my review on the full phone, and as well as my experience with the secondary display. So that will be interesting. So if we go into settings and we go into general, about phone, and you can see that we have, if we check software information, Android 7.0 Nougat. So you got a bunch of different home screens, and you can also have the app drawer enabled if you want to. Let's take a quick look at the secondary screen we have. So it allows you to have some quick toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and torch, and you can also swipe here to basically see other options like the Google Now. I think, yeah, this is Google Now. And also we got the memo, we got the clock, files, and settings, and then we have the signature, which you can also edit. So overall, I basically enjoy LG's UI a lot. I mean, I've used the G4, the G5 as my main devices for some time, and I really enjoyed the build quality of this phone. Feels a lot premium compared to the the G5 here. So it is having really good feel, and this one, if you guys remember, had like paint on top of it, so it created a lot of controversy. But this is a great phone. Like I said, it has gone a lot cheaper, so it definitely worth the money now. And of course, if you can spend more, then you can have this one. So if we just quickly take a look at the camera here, so like I said, that does have secondary camera sensor. We can see that we do have the secondary screen. And on that we can see the options like auto, manual, and video manual. So video manual is the mode where you have a manual video mode, so you can change everything like focus, white balance, and ISO. Basically gives you a lot of options, and you can also switch to the wide mode, which basically enhances everything, which is great. And you can also see that it has a really good mic system, audio system. It has like really good noise cancelling, like you can record your audio in a really noisy environment, and it's going to do a great job. Although I'll be testing that out, and we'll make a separate video on that. I think it's going to be a really good vlogging phone, with its really good audio capabilities. So when you lock the phone, the secondary screen is always on, like you can play with it without even unlocking the actual phone. So that is really good, and you can double tap to unlock the phone. So yeah, I will be doing my full review on this phone. I'll be checking out some speed tests, see how it stacks up against the competition, what kind of improvement we have as far as the speed goes with the Nougat, Android Nougat. And yeah, let me know what specific videos you guys want me to make, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.